Here's a video to show how to access some of the work that your children can do from home. So if they happen to be working from home, if they've been isolating, or if there's another lockdown in the future, or anything like that, you can access work through your child's team. So if you log into Hub, as you would usually, open up Teams. There are videos on our YouTube channel to show you how to do this as well if you need help. Open up the team that belongs to your child. Underneath the Files tab up here, you've got Class Materials. That's where we store all of the information, all of the worksheets, anything like that is all under here. And then you've got a collection of activities. And under there is every single year group's work that was assigned during the last lockdown. So if you go into a folder within here, there is a lot. There's a lot of week's work underneath here, loads of ideas of activities to do with them. Inside these folders, there is, so you click on the week and then you've got this grid of activities to do. So you follow the tasks through the time. Now these used to be a fortnightly worth, so there's 2 weeks worth of work here. It doesn't have to take 2 weeks, it can take longer if you need it to. They're just ideas for you of things that you can do with them.